July 14th, tornado. Somewhere. What in the actual, eh? It's now 1:32 PM on the 14th of July 2016, and the sirens are going off again. We've got some damage, some small tree limbs. God knows how many plants are doing over there. We do have several branches down. Still blasting through. Hopefully that's what it will do, just go through. Okay, more damage now. We've got this big limb has come down from the tree. Whoa, that tree didn't have to take some damage. There's even more come off. Julie's flowers are down. Okay, and here's the approximately 2 PM update. You can see all the red, the various tornado signatures kicking around. I'm trying to find us on this map. There we are there. So we're still within it. And the alarms have just gone off again. Middle of July, eh? That's the update. Right, we're going to take a bit of a drive out, look at some, see if there's any damage and stuff. Might be able to help move branches or something. Just check my solar setup. Oh, first of all though, tomatoes, fine. And peppers, yeah. EF0 tested. Solar panels, not so much. Oh wow, wow, full trees down. Oh my. Exciting for some. Hey, you didn't hit the car, did it?
Missed.
Well, there's the flying field up here, and see if there's any damage. Branches, yeah. Oh, it's quite a bit down the end. Yeah. Oh, yes, there is a snaps tree there. Across the runway.
Oh, look at yourself.
Yes, well, we're included. Another tree down over there, or at least part of it. Oh my, look at the size of that trampoline. Wow, wow. Almost a hell of a lot of power for that.
And a big tree.
Yep. Yeah, as Julie just noticed, the signal lights are out. Still a lot of wind too. Tree around here. Oh my. There we go, folks, quite a lot of damage.
Very tiny.
Oh yeah. Yep, there's no through there. In fact, there's another one down further up as well.
I think we can get through.
You think you can get through that? Oh, here we go. Oh! Oh! Well done. Good job the car was 15 years old.